Hello, this is a testimony for DC Home Remodeling and Mustafa and the job that they did on this place. I live in California. My sisters live in Colorado and in Tennessee, and we are in Alexandria, Virginia, when some water damage occurred. Lots of water damage. Had to rip out an entire bathroom, all the wood flooring throughout the place, 2 closets, all the baseboards, et cetera, et cetera. I met with Mustafa. He started his team to work in 1 week. And 3 weeks later, the place is exactly like it was before. That's not true. The place is better than it was before. Everything is perfect. The finishes are perfect. We had to do custom cabinetry. They went and bought the materials, built the cabinets, matched them perfectly, painted them to match perfectly, matched the hardware. Everything is absolutely perfect. If you need any remodeling work done, I recommend you call DC Home Remodeling and Mustafa. Thank you.